What's up, pretty gang? It's your favorite nail tech Peaches back with another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a ghost face killer in 5 easy steps. This is completely beginner friendly. Okay, I was happy to do this on my client, and of course, look at this picture, so cute. Her nails and my nails. I was like, hold on, I need a little video. Okay, so first thing is first, make sure you guys are subscribed, notifications on. I will be doing a giveaway when I hit 10,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Okay, follow me on Instagram. All of my links are in the description below for those who want some discounts, you want some money off. Not polished, of course, we got one. Amazon storefront is linked, and follow me on my personal social media if you please. So I want to say this tutorial is extremely fast, extremely easy. Okay, the things that made a difference for me personally in increasing the look, well, I guess bettering the look of my nail art, would be using better quality brushes. I know I always recommend the Beetles brushes off of Amazon, but you guys, I recently got sent the not polished brushes for nail art, and you guys, it makes a world of a difference. They're definitely a little better quality. I just want to show you guys, I am recording a separate tutorial for Instagram, so you can also go to Instagram to see a more condensed version of what we're doing right now. Okay, so first things first, of course, we're starting on top coated nails. We're using our daughter tool, the bigger side, to create the face shape. You guys, this is so much easier than what you think. Do not overthink it at all. I used to do that. We want like a semi-rounded shape on top. We want a little bit of a dip on the insides, and we're going to extend back out to the cheeks. I would say a good rule of thumb for a bigger face like this would be to almost touch both sides of the nail, and then we're going to round them out. Mine's are a little bit more ovally, a little more droopy, and then we're going to bring them back in, and the chin is kind of like a chili pepper, some sort of chili pepper. Okay, so once you understand the shape of the face, I've done this many times. I've done this a couple times over the years. So far this year is like my most successful year for drawing the ghost face killer. All right, so you want to fill that in. You need a very good quality white, and once you have that, step 1 is done. We can go ahead and cure. All right, I did all the black that you're about to see in one swoop on steps 2 through 4. You don't have to. Okay, so we're going to take our dotting tool for the eyes. We're basically just going to make 2 like half moon crescent shapes angling upwards. They don't have to be too skinny, too thick. If they're not exactly perfect, it's okay. All right, we're gonna make 3 dots for the nose, and if the nose is not perfect, that's all right too. We can fix it later. And as far as the mouth, we're basically following the shape of the chin. It's gonna be a little wider at top and narrow down at the bottom. You do not want to make it too wide because you want the sides of the chin peeking through. All right, so step 2, go ahead and cure that. Now for the nose, I felt like it wasn't pointy enough, so I'm just gonna take a very thin detailer brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the point on the nose. This size is a not polished brush, and it's comparable to the Beetles blue size brush I was using before. Okay, and we're gonna go around and we're gonna outline the face. We're gonna outline with all the imperfections and everything, all the little divots, all of that, because that makes it more so kind of like a mask, right? Do not forget the cheeks, the lines in the cheeks, because you guys, it makes the face not so flat. If there's anything you don't like if one side is thicker than the other, you want to even it out, this is where you can do it, which is why I say the white part of the face doesn't have to be perfect, because we're going ahead and outlining it anyway. Step 3 is done. Go ahead and cure. Now we're gonna make the hood. Like I said, at this point I actually did not cure. If you're more advanced and you feel comfortable, you don't have to cure at every step. If you're a beginner, I suggest you do, so that way you don't accidentally smear something, because let me tell you, it's a pain in the ass to clean up. So for the hood, because this is a more forward facing, version, I want to just go ahead and just thicken up what we already have on the outside. But hoods are billowy, they have different shapes and indentations in them, and that's what we're doing. So on the bottom is going to be the bulk of the black, and you can see I'm keeping it light and much more thinner around the cheeks, and then I'm going ahead and bringing it, widening it around the mouth, and how can you say, I don't want to say like flipping it out, but I'm adding a curve as to represent like where it would be going down to the shoulders. Now both hands don't even need to be the same. That's the greatness of this, is because they don't have to be identical, and as long as you have the general shape and you're following some sort of pattern, and incorporate your own style into it, because everyone's scream does not look the same anyways. Okay, so step 4, go ahead and cure that. Now step 5, on what I realized really makes the face, I'm taking a very, very small detailer liner brush, mixing black with clear to make a translucent gray, and I'm outlining around the eyes. You want to go underneath the eyes and a little squiggly over the top, so it kind of hollows it out. You can do one around the mouth if you feel necessary as well, but adding these details makes it look less flat. And step 5, we're going ahead and cure. And of course, we're going to go ahead and top coat, because I mean, you have to top coat, and boom, your ghost face is done. I really hope that this tutorial helped. I am also making a very more condensed version on Instagram for those that want to follow along with that and be able to replay it back. It's much more easier than we think. Okay, that is what I learned. And of course, this is the end of the video. Hopefully this helps someone through Spooktober, and I will see you in the next one.